Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip with the flower shaped cup that has, this bottom that creates a flower. I have a napkin, of course, because it requires napkin, and I kind of decided to go with a vintage look today. So I mixed this light turquoise color for the base. I mixed turquoise and white and a little bit of turquoise in there, and I have permanent blue, violet, magenta, quinacridone rose light, and reflex rose, all Amsterdam paints. And of course my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white by Amsterdam, and my pouring medium, that it's Bessner acrylic binder mixed with some acrylic emulsion. Okay, I poured a little bit of the base on, and I will tilt it back to the cup, so I will be off camera with canvas for this part, because I don't want to mess all here, because I like to have my base nicely evenly covered when I do those flowers. Okie doke. So my base is down. And now I will torch it real quick and go from there. So if you are interested, I will teach this technique in Dublin. Less than a month till Dublin, on Fluid Art Boutique event, and in Washington DC in August. I will put all the information into the description box. So now you have a chance, if you are from States, come to Washington DC if you want to paint with me. So I will start with permanent blue violet. Pearl white for the lacing, and magenta next. I'm adding pearl white between every layer because I want that nice lacing effect with those colors. But you can experiment. When you master the technique, you can always try to do it differently and see what works best for you. Okay, one row, and I will do another one. Just hope that I don't have too much paint, because I can see that it's already try to go over the sides. I like to do this part without the gloves. I will just spray my napkin with some water and soften it up. Don't need to. I like to do that. Okie doke. Place it down. Oop. Almost made a big mess. Okay. And gather it together, fold it together in the middle of your flower. This is the hardest part, and in our lessons in Dublin and in Washington I will be able, you know, to help you with this part. So you and hopefully do a better job than I did it this time. Okie doke. Definitely not the perfect lift. And now I will add a little more of the base because it will help to level out this a little bit. And of course you can spin it out too if you want. Just smooth it out a little bit. Weird one. I shouldn't have talked while I was lifting this up, I think. Well, here is how she looks wet. Love the lacing, love the colors, they just look nice together. Love this light turquoise with pinks and purple. Not the perfect one. This here was, here I lifted, I dragged a little too much, not lift. So it's kind of a lot of little things that you have to pay attention when you do that, but nothing is perfect in life, so neither this flower.